Okay, now here comes the number one question. Tapered flashings comes all the time. People make a big deal out of it, but it's really not necessary. It is rather simple. So on our screen we got our part which we made earlier. Doesn't matter where I am here in draw or in edit mode. I got this button here called details, and when I click on details I get this gray bar coming up the top. If I select then the shank I want to modify or taper, in this case I want to taper this 300mm one here. If I click on it, you see up the top, you could say these are the priorities or the details of this shank. So it's 300 long, it hasn't got no taper yet, the bend angle is 90 degree, I'm bending it at full speed, so on so on. Okay, but if I now put into here and taper, let's say 200mm. So you have seen how the panel here in the 3D change, it open up and it shows me down the bottom there it is 300 on my end and in brackets 200 more on the other side. So if I turn this around and zoom back in again, you see it's 500. Voila. So there's my tapered panel. So I have a very easy check graphically where it is. If I go back to the drawing mode, you see down the bottom here I got a yellow dashed line. So what is this all about? So very simple graphic representation of what is happening. The gray line, the actual profile, is my end, the operator side. The yellow dashed line is the opposite end. Yeah? From here on, the machine then knows, and you know, okay, my taper will be on the left where the slitter head is. My narrow side is here where the operator is. If you draw it the other way around, then it will be just reversed. It doesn't matter. The machine will slit the part with the taper in the back edge in the right position according to what you have told it to do. If I go in the simulation, I have now here still the same thing. I got the red line up the top is where the color is, remember that? And down the bottom, the yellow dashed line says to me, okay, the taper, in this case, on the other side, will be whatever bigger than what it is here. Remember, the gray line is me, the operator in this case, and the yellow line is the other end. So the only decision really left for the operator is when he looks at the actual flashing is, okay, is my taper or my bigger side or smaller side on my side or on the other side? Just draw it the way how it's on the piece of paper. Yeah? So very simple. We teach you this in a heartbeat. Okay, I hope I don't bore you too much, so I will make some more videos. So this was the tapering session. Thank you.